Bruh, round 2. Send it on the Civic. New camera, new day. Stoked. What is up, guys? Welcome back for another video with your boys. Bruh, beautiful day. Hana Ho, let's go. It's another beautiful day. We got the boys, we got Mana, you got your boy Dre. We are ready to go. So if you guys haven't been here before, we do adventure vlogs for the state of Hawaii. We do a lot of fishing, we do some hiking, some rappelling, or we're gonna do rappelling, and a little bit of hunting. So if you guys haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. What the hell? Hey, hit that like button, hit the comment button, tell us what we should do different or suggestions. Hit that notification bell so you know when I post another video.
So I could feel something else. Yeah, I guess I had my back.
So for today, our game plan is spend most of our time catching pelagius, and if that doesn't work out, some bottom fishing with some damashi action. We've probably been on the water for about 2 hours. Nothing but good view and good time. But shit, we need to fish. I gotta tie my legs. White on the inside, brown on the outside. I'm like an Oreo when I'm naked. So this is what my damashi consists of. 5 bloodworms, companion grubs, companion lures. Those are awesome. Got a 3 ounce or 2 ounce lid at the end. Gonna clip it on via swivel. Mana's gonna do the firecracker on the damashi with some shrimp on the end. Beautiful day. Damashi. You just gotta damashi that. Damashi. So am I doing it right?
Oh, palu.
Holy shit. Oh, loaded. They never throw palu. Oh, palo. They're here and they're queer because they're not biting. Roger that. First kind of action of the day.
Small.
I'm not a slimer.
No.
Huggy. Okay. Pink tail. Roger. Fought it.
Next. Not you eat my tail, oh, you eat it
Spitting. Some on round 2 again.
Call me Butters.
If you guys don't know, we call him Butters. Because every time he fishes, he's always on a roll.
That's what we're looking for.
Hey,
got the bucket.
goat fish. Okay, Raja. Goat fish.
He liked the shrimp and the... Okay, going back down.
Ah, it's stuck.
Oh,
Yeah, I was too busy filming. Fudge. Damn it. My first stock of the day. Monica, something down my sheet. See ya. Finally.
Yes,
Hey, what is it?
oh, Dre's first fish of the day. It's a wahanui.
Bye, you guys. Finally, your boy's catching something. Can you eat this?
You can, but he's a small guy. Let's let this one back in.
There you go. Hello. Check out the glasses I'm supposed to use. Let's go. Get some power. Get some mana. That's cool. Oh, what is that? Oh, what is that? Oh, something chasing.
What is that?
Something chasing.
Oh, it's one big goat.
Oh, it's a monocotty. You seen that, huh? Something was chasing.
Well, that's...
Oh, that's dinner. Oh, that's like what? That's like 14 inches probably. Went for the bait, I think.
Yeah, he got the bait.
Oh yeah, that fish went for the bait. Wow, nice. Cooler.
Says it a
Nice.
keeper.
That's a keeper.
Beautiful coloration.
Could have been a shark chasing that thing, huh?
Definitely something though.
Something big. Yes, you earned that name. You got a big boy. Good size.
Yeah, nice size.
Same size maybe?
Same size fish as the last. Feels the same too, probably as his brother. Two.
Nice.
Got a double of some sort.
Double. Oh, an uku. Uku boy. Yes. A small uku, but still it's an uku.
Off the top.
Nice.
Yeah.
There we go. Small uku.
On the firecracker.
Nice. My turn. Uku. We were gonna throw the uku back, but we looked up online and it's minimum 1 pound. And that's guaranteed 1 pound. Yes, Amana's fish. Let's go. There's something on it, that's for sure. Make it up slow so maybe other fish can whack them.
I think we got what we're looking for. Bring us up our uku bait. Yeah, Dre.
Huggy! That ain't nothing.
We know they hang out. They hang out with the fish we're looking for too.
Probably another huggy.
Don't say that.
When you're right, you're right.
Okay! Woo! 2 hoggies, let's go! Angle. Slimer. A little slimy slimer. What?
Oh, Hoggy King.
Gosh, all the hoggies.
Get him, Drake.
What's up? Anybody hungry? Catch them all. What's that mountain though? So I'm done with the damashi. I'm gonna do some jigging. Never did it legit before. I think this is a good little 3 hooks, 2 at the top, 1 at the bottom. Roger. Finally caught something with my jig, bro. Let's go. It did juke me out a little bit. I was jigging for about maybe 15-20 minutes. I seen things chasing it, but no luck. And the wind is kind of blowing onshore, so we gotta constantly like go back out there to that deep depth. Probably gonna send out some more bait. Hey, at least he got something. Goody. Oh. Okay, I just hit myself in the eye. Look, you can see the mark. Yeah, that's my eyeball right on it. Bro, just got whacked. No fight though, it bit half of the fish off right below the hook. Mean. No action though, but hey, action. We never have action, but action. Look at that. Just showed up, I didn't see the back of the body. Yeah, mean. Alrighty. It's a good sign though. Roger that, let's get to bottom fishing. Yeah, crack. So the spine is sticking out and all. Hoggies, you savages. Oh, it's 2 within less than 5 minutes. Ah, I swear. It's like a full pie and a table box put together.
Rockfish.
Nice though.
Nice.
Ooh. When you set the hook, it looked like a pretty big fish. Oh, not on.
Day of the goats.
The goaties have arrived. Alright. Bro, this guy. Hanaho brought a goat. Dude, the goats are going off. Hanaho.
Goat.
Wow. Oh. Becky. Little goat fish again. Bro, they're on fire today. Too bad it's not like 20 times bigger.
All the goats. No.
Slimer. Okay, I'm actually glad to see a different fish. Humu! Damn it, bro. Catching all the humus and the hoggies. Vana just said he cannot even catch humus even if he tried. Anybody wants to know how to catch a lot of hoggies and humus, bro, hit me up. I show you the ways.
I don't think that's on Hoggy, Drake.
No, it's not on hoggy. Or if it is,
Yeah, 5 pounder.
big hoggy.
Oh my god!
Let's go! Yo, screw it, I'm just gonna accept it, dude. I am the hoggy master.
Hoggy King!
Bro, I catch all the hoggies. Bro, look at these bones. Bro, this is at least 10 inches. Fatty! I called it. If it's on hoggy, it's on the big one.
I had to make a joke at Geoxor, sorry.
There we go, ta'ape. But these guys are definitely invasive. So if you see them, just head kick this fish. Head stomp them. I don't head stomp any fish unless you can eat them. Shoot. Damn it. Look at that. A goat. Good size. Good sign as well. 2 poles at the same time. One is hooking up. Oh, almost got hooked up too.
Same guy.
Hoggy. Hoggy Whispering Powers is rubbing off on you.
Big
Oh!
ass.
Good Slimer. Biggest fish I caught today. Not a hoggy competition with this.
To breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
Yeah. You ain't got consent, I'm gonna sue your ass.
What better way to spend a Sunday first catch and cook with the boys and the girl. Send it on the Civic, EP.2 catch and cook, first one, let's go. Yeah, Butters seasoning his own fish that he caught. Yes, sir. Fatty. Slice it up. Just putting in some sliced ginger in the slits that Butters cut. Your camera name Butters, Mana's mom. Prepared it for us. So is that black bean, garlic, ginger, and green onions and cilantro?
Yep.
Raja. We make it beautiful.
Oh, and say yes to green tea.
Salt yum.
Cool. Cavity too.
aerial view. Got some fish. He got the meat. New spot had to move. Started raining a little bit on us. All good. Adjustments, adjustments.
Funny guy.
Frying the first two biggest ones. That is a dead cow at the bottom of that cliff. There it is, I can see it. We should put a balloon on it and say farewell.
Let's put a red balloon on it.
It has to go through the grill. Dude, it's gonna be lit. Once you're like this, dude, I'm gonna be blown away by the experience. It is.
Girl Scout juice right there.
There you go. Okay. Dude, it's,
On the more arm there, so it's okay. It's not gasoline, so.
Oh yeah, at least it's not gasoline.
There, see, it's gentle. It's gentle.
I was waiting for it. Yeah, that's what I was waiting for. Oh, the meat on it starting to look very good. Skin gotta fry it off, huh? Action. Looks tasty. Oh. Yeah. Oh, my bad, Gary, my bad. Too bad you guys not here to smell it.
Smell-o-vision.
Because I just farted. Nah. It smells amazing. Drop it like it's hot. Like that. We just let it sit.
Action.
The angle. Just stand on this. Get the view, the angles. I want to stand in bottom wind so I can smell them. Smells mean. That's the whole pihi with shoyu, chili pepper water, and mayonnaise. It's a technique to use the back of the spoon. Come on. Oh shit. I'm still gonna eat them. Sample this one. Me. Oh.
Your goodness.
The goat. This is gold right here. Oh. Yes, it smells killer. Oh, the garlic, the ginger, I can smell that. Catch and cook. Send it on the Civic EP.2. Oh, it with the secret sauce. Coming like a champ. Hey, no, not yet.
I watched it twice.
Top it off with the secret sauce. It's not sauce, it's sauce. Did you take a bite yet?
No.
Okay, don't eat yet.
Hurry up! This is torture.
Did I lose a chopstick?
Here, use this one. I think that was the one that
It was on the ground, bro.
Yeah, I heard it and I was like,
my favorite, especially when it's off the ground. Yeah, let me go. Ooh. Dangle. First catch and cook. Send it on the Civic EP.2. I'm gonna try to cook it first.
Motion to the table, cheers.
Dangle. First time. No, the ginger.
have some munchies.
Probably the best fish I had so far.
Seriously.
Try that Beckett, a big Beckett. The Moana, is that Moana Kali?
Can you use chopsticks?
Moana Kali. Let's go.
Alright.
Cheddar water.
No, the garlic on down is amazing.
It is so delicate. It's so soft.
Action.
But everything you did to the seasoning, perfect.
You can taste it all.
Oh yeah, thanks, dude. And thank you, Andy.
Thank everyone.
Thank you. Thank you for
Thank you, everyone.
This couldn't have happened if it wasn't for you guys.
the fried fish.
Oh yeah, we're doing a fish now. Right here. The little Beckett, the little goldfish. Fried, pan fried.
Okay.
Babe?
That bacon was
Yeah.
I like the pan fried one the best, I think. Man.
I feel my pants melt.
Huh? Oh.
I went to bite my fish and it fell.
Zoom it on your face and happen. The next catch and cook will be the Hoggy Derby. So the Hoggies.
The smaller, the more crispy. Oh.
The Hoggies.
Some pink-tail fish and chips.
Wow. I'll be the one catch a load of Hoggies and do me catch and cook. Kirby, I'm playing PUBG.
He is.
But I'm happy.
It's such a neutral flavor, like not strong tasting of a fish
Not
at
fishy,
all.
yeah.
Mhm.
Gone. There we go. Cuckoo cheek.
Very delicate.
Catch and cook success. Done. How? Ready to go. I'm full.
I'm full.
Oh. Right on, guys, that's the vlog. If you like what you see, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you know when I post another video. Those flavors on those fishes was action. Hope you guys like our sending on the Civic series and our catch and cook. Tell us in the comments what we should do different. Aloha, mahalo, and shoot.